Familiarize yourself with the 2022 Dodge Durango. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including front and rear reading lights, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 6. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraint, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, our dealership is a great place to do business.